Let him go, Shelton. We're getting in some water back in here now. Tata finna slip across here. Woo, there you go. He's nut deep. Belly button deep. Is it cold?
You ready?
I'm gonna let him bring them to me. If you ain't too cold, shine the tree. Y'all, the dogs are just right there. And he volunteered himself to go. And I done checked it and knowed it wasn't but waist deep, so I told him to get after it. That's dedicated, though. The boy wanting to get to his dog, see if he got the meat. You see him? I can see the tree from right here. I'll give him a little squall, see if he'd look off over here at me. There you go. I seen his eye. He up at the top on the left. Right up there, straight up. You seen him, Sheldon? He looked at me 2 times, y'all. I ain't gonna be able to get no close-in footage, but he there. Ricky is there. And they worked this old coon a long time back. Here he looked again. He worked this Ricky a long time back in here. But he got the groceries. That ain't too bad tonight in all this water and stuff. We got 2 out of 3 trees. I don't think we're doing too bad. Alright, I'm going to make sure this boy get back across the creek. Y'all have a good night.